school life, for my high school life, every memory kay ganda. High school days, oh my high school days are exciting kay saya. There are times may problema ka kung ang homework left undone. Pray ka lang, huwag tawagin ka upang di pagtawanan. High school love, my one high school love, not infatuation or crush. Tunay to siyang buhay ko, ninyo lang ako'y nagbablush. Bakit nga ba ang first love ko ay di serious, so it seems? Kung alam lang ang first love ko, he is always in my dreams. Ang saya ng high school, same in yours in my school, di na mapapantayan. Chapter nga ng buhay, nasadyang makulay, alaala kailanman. High school life, for my high school life, every memory kay ganda. High school days, oh my high school days are exciting kay saya. High school life, but ang high school life ay walang kasing saya. Bakit kung graduation ay luluha kang talaga? High school life, but ang high school life ay walang kasing saya. Bakit kung graduation ay luluha kang talaga? Ang saya ng high school, same in yours in my school, di na mapapantayan. Chapter nga ng buhay, nasadyang makulay, alaala kailanman. High school life, for my high school life, every memory kay ganda. High school days, oh my high school days are exciting kay saya. High school life, but ang high school life ay walang kasing saya. Bakit kung graduation ay luluha kang talaga? High school life, but ang high school life ay walang kasing saya. Bakit kung graduation ay luluha kang talaga? High school life, but ang high school life ay walang kasing saya. Bakit kung graduation ay luluha kang talaga? High school life, but ang high school life ay walang kasing saya. Bakit kung graduation ay luluha kang talaga? High school life, but ang high school life ay walang kasing saya. Bakit kung graduation ay luluha kang talaga?
We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment, then start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears. Not to mention our doubts and hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of these years. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be oceans away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you, my friends, with only you.
We're soaring, flying. There's not a star in heaven that we can't reach.
Ayan po, nandito po tayo sa ating alma mater, yung Colegio de San Pedro. Ayan, sobrang 12 years, sobrang daming ng pinagbago, ang laki ng pinagbago ng structure ng school natin. So, ayan, ito na yung college department. Yun. Tapos, ibang-iba na sa dati, yung canteen. Ayan. Tapos, kung naalala nyo to, ng mga graduate ng elementary, so, ito tayo. Ito yung ating place, diba? So, ayan. So, wala pa rin sa pinagbago, konti lang. Yun. So, ito po. Ayan. So, mag-a-ambush interview tayo sa mga teachers natin. And, puntahan natin silang lahat. So, interview natin sila, ha. Ayan, nakita ko si Sir Angeles. So, nandito po tayo sa second floor. Ito po yung room ng first year tayo. Tapos, iba na yung itsura ng, ng location. Kasi first floor is, tawag ito, occupied na rin ng high school. Unlike before kasi elementary yung doon occupied. So, ito ang view. So, yun. Hahanap tayo ng mga teachers dito. So, ito na pala ang biology room. Yun. So, aakyat tayo ngayon sa third floor, no? Aba, talaga naman, no parents, yayas, or guardians are allowed to go upstairs, second and third floor. May ganun. Aakyat tayo ngayon sa ating, this is the second floor. Ayan. Natatandaan ko, second floor was yung mga classroom ng second year. So, ito po yung mga classroom ng second year that time. So, ito. Nakatuwa naman. So, guys, ito po ang view. So, punta tayo ngayon sa ating classroom ng ating fourth year. Itong part na to, alala ko, is Tourmaline. So, iba na ngayon. Tourmaline, ano? And then, here is Alexandrite. This is 4th year Alexandrite. Guys, Alex! So, Alex, ito na po ang ating classroom. Naalala niyo pa ba to? So, ito ang ating room. So, naalala ko. Hello! Hi! Kasi, nung time na yun, nag-e-exam, nakita niya si Miss Nunez sa balkonahe. Sinarado niya yung bintana, yung jalousie ng bintana, para hindi tayo mahuli. Pasaway talaga si Kuya Jose. O yan, Alex, ito ang room natin. So, room na siya, after 12 years, room na siya ng agate. Diba? So, ayun. So, ito po ang, dito sa part ng portion ng board na to, use the classroom of, ano bang classroom? Yun. Before, naalala ko, ito yung physics room, Ma'am Almuela. So, ito po yung classroom nyo. Aqua, guys. Aquamarine. Hello. Ay, hindi. Hindi pala, sorry. Tiffany pala. My bad. So, ito. Kasi classroom na pala siya ngayon. After 12 years. Aquamarine. So, yun. So, ito. Tiffany, kung nandito kayo. So, bye-bye muna for now. So, ito po ang view. So, ganda. So, yun. For now. So, ito po ang ating view. Yan. Naalala ko dito. Naalala ko, lagi akong late nung time na yun. So, unang classroom na bungad is Alexandrite. Talaga naman. Kitang-kita pag ako I'm late. Ko. Tapos dito sa part na to, sa side na to, wala pa yung building na yan. So, nung late kami ni Silene Camo before, hello! Pupunta po tayo ngayon sa CAT headquarters. So, mga CAT officers, kung naalala niyo pa tong place na to. Ayan. O, diba? And take note, may pintuan na siya ngayon. Kasi, naalala ko noon, mula pang pintuan yun, parang rehas pa lang noon eh. So, ito yung area ng CAT. So, mga ma'am, sir, ito po ang dating lugar nyo, tambayan nyo. So, tapos, ito, ating audit, gymnasium. So, good afternoon, sir. Ayan, so dito ang ginaganap usually yung ating field demo. Ang ating field demo na lagi tayo nagre-reklamo pag may field demo. Tapos yung JS natin dito rin nangyari. So, actually hapon na ako pumunta ngayon kasi wala masyadong tao eh. So, yun, madilim na siya. So, ayan, mga pare ko. Kung naalala niyo tong lugar na to, medyo nag-improve na rin. Marami na rin pagbabago. Yun. So, napagod talaga ako. Pero ang saya. Saya yung, visit ko sa school natin. Honestly, after 12 years ko na visit ko uli yung school na to, sobrang laki ng pinagbago ng school natin. So, we are. So, marami na rin teachers na wala. So, ang dami namin pagbabago.